Swallowing air while eating fast can irritate the diaphragm and trigger hiccups. A full or irritated stomach puts pressure on the diaphragm, causing spasms. Bubbles can expand in the stomach and irritate the diaphragm. Eating or drinking something very hot or cold quickly can confuse the nerves controlling breathing. Emotional changes can trigger nerve reactions that cause hiccups. Alcohol can irritate both the stomach and the nerves linked to the diaphragm. Happens when you talk while eating or chew gum, leading to trapped air. Conditions like acid reflux, stroke, or nerve damage can cause persistent hiccups.